Hi guys, Marley here and welcome back to my channel. I'm now in my garden and behind me is my unheated hoop house. We're here to check on the things that are growing inside this hoop house. This is not bad for really cold temperatures. This is the butter crunch lettuce, and then more lettuce, and then we have some other, they're all lettuce plants in here. I don't see any of the kale, the broccoli, cauliflower. It's probably because that part in here is kind of opened, so apparently some of the plants died, but we have a couple of rows of lettuce here for salad. That is a good thing right there. That's actually pretty cool. Let's go check out the ones in here. When the temperature is not freezing, we get a lot of rain, and then look at all of that. These lettuce plants are looking great actually. There are a few weeds that have grown. That's normal for this time of the year though. While I'm out here, I'm gonna go ahead and harvest some of this lettuce for my dinner tonight. We're gonna have some salad. So yummy. Let's get some from here. Well, during the cold months, they don't usually grow that much. Okay, this one's a little bit thick, so let's grab some leaves. This is cut and come again lettuce. So here in a couple of weeks, I should get some more harvest from these plants. You just have to make sure that you just cut the leaves and not pull the entire plant. And I'm trying to harvest one-handed, so it's a little bit challenging to do that. Oops. I almost pulled the whole plant right there. Wow. Oh, there's actually more in here. Let's get this. I'm just trying to get the bigger leaves of the plants. You know, it's so amazing to still eat salad from your garden in the winter. Well, technically it's not winter yet, but our temperatures have been freezing since November. So I call it winter. And next week we are supposed to have single-digit temperatures. So I'm not sure if these plants are gonna survive because this hoop house is not heated. But I'm gonna give you an update on how these plants are gonna do with single digits temperatures without heating my hoop house. Okay, so that's what I got, guys. That's a good amount of salad greens, and then look at that. I have plenty of lettuce left in this raised bed. This is an 8x4 or 4x8 raised bed, and only half of it has the plants now because the others are already gone. Well, that's gonna be all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you next time.